Here I have DOOGEE X55, and today I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot on this device. So first of all, you have to open the screen which you want to capture. Let's take a screenshot of a settings list, for example. And what you have to do next is you have to push power key and volume down at the same time once. Let's try again. And as you can see, the screenshot took. Let me show you one more time. You can find your screenshot in gallery. In the album. In the album screenshots here. Here you can share it, delete it, or edit it as you want. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.